Yeah.
Shoot, shoot,
So much because they haven't been out with anybody's. And the minute they get out, it's like I just got let out of the convention.
You gotta let it out of the dog.
You can't do it, Haley.
You're not wearing the right kind of shoes.
It's gonna hurt her toe.
Dom.
My shoes stink at this. Hey, everybody.
The next one. Oh, somebody could get a 46. Dom! Go get it. Go give it to the next kid. Come on.
He has 16.
Hey, but he ran. He ran 12.
I didn't kick with it.
You do it.
Get that t-shirt. Wow.
First time.
All right. Thank you.
Hey, just turn around.
All right, everybody, welcome to Toyota Park. Our celebrations here at Toyota Park. If I can get everyone's attention, I need you guys to start heading this way, please. We're going to take the group photo real quick, and then we can keep enjoying the activities here today.
Haley!
Everybody can start heading towards the stage, please.
Haley!
We can do the group photo. Thank you.
Next to Dominic.
Put it back where it was.
Hey! Haley! Dominic, look! Thank you. Get out. Oh, yeah. Wait, one more.
Now get out.
Street corner blue. Okay, everybody take a step to your right.
Step to your right.
You can't take a step to his right. He'll fall off.
All right, I think I got the okay from the photographers. They're saying everything looks great. Last call, guys. Everybody run in. Still see a few stragglers.
Why you don't want to take a picture by you? Dom. Stop picking this thing.
Please run your truck after this.
We're gonna go.
Maybe.
Are we ready for photographers?
Hey, pay attention.
All right, everybody. On the count of 3, arms up in the air. Touch on the top.
Stop throwing the shotgun.
We're gonna take a couple pictures.
That was rude.
All right. One last picture.
Dom, look up. Stop.
Number 1, so let's show them. And not the little one. We're gonna look at the next one. So, we're gonna look at the next one. 1, 2, 3. Thank you guys very much. We're going to get going real soon. We're showing
Yo, you guys can go pick tickets, remember? Stop.
Andres from Rojas Towing. Andres. Rojas Towing. Anyone from Rojas Towing? Okay. Brian from Arby's Towing. Brian. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, our president and Foresight would like to address the crowd. So I'm going to give him the mic. And it's a secret to me, so I'm not exactly sure. so I'm going to step back to one.
You thought you were gonna go to Hawaii or something, huh?
No, it's
Hi, thanks for being here.
You want a bedtime story?
Dominic, give me my hat back.